In this video, we will highlight 5 RWA and AI crypto altcoins that have the potential to 200x after the Bitcoin halving. Consider investing in the next meta and make huge profits in the upcoming bull run. Since late 2023, AI and real-world assets, RWAs, have emerged as key themes set to drive the upcoming bull market in the crypto world. RWAs are a category of blockchain-based crypto tokens that represent tangible or intangible assets, such as bonds, real estate properties, and commodities. By 2030, the RWA market is forecasted to reach $4 trillion, while the AI market is predicted to hit $700 billion. Advanced AI models like GPT-4 stand at the forefront of innovation in natural language processing and machine learning. Their development requires significant investments in sophisticated algorithms, extensive datasets, and substantial computational resources. Furthermore, the intellectual property rights of these AI technologies, including patents and copyrights, provide exclusive profit opportunities for their creators or owners. BlackRock, in collaboration with Securitize, has launched the BlackRock USD Institutional Digital Liquidity Fund. This move signifies BlackRock's entry into the tokenized asset world, demonstrated by a $100 million investment in the USDC stablecoin on the Ethereum blockchain. As per Bloomberg, the BlackRock USD Institutional Digital Liquidity Fund, a money market fund that records share ownership on the Ethereum blockchain, has attracted over $240 million since its introduction. The fund invests in cash, U.S. Treasury bills, and repurchase agreements, issuing BUIDL crypto tokens valued at $1 each to its holders. These tokens can be transferred within approved digital wallets, illustrating a new model of financial transactions enabled by tokenization. With BlackRock showing interest in RWA, we can anticipate a significant increase in attention towards RWA altcoins. Watch the whole video to find out what our favorite RWA and AI altcoins are right now. While you are here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated on all the latest crypto trends. Let's jump right in with our first RWA project we would like to highlight, called Grand Base. While some tokenized stocks and equities have emerged, regulatory limitations hinder their widespread adoption and cause significant liquidity issues. Grand Base aims to address this by serving as the gateway to all types of tokenized assets on the blockchain. Their goal is to empower everyone to create on-chain assets by minting tokens that represent the value of tangible assets. For each ERC20 token minted, the user deposits collateral in the protocol. By directly backing Grand Base's assets on-chain, they assure total transparency and a liquid market for their customers. Their users enjoy complete autonomy and control over their Grand assets, rather than relying on external parties, including their platform. Users can mint any whitelisted gasset using USDC as collateral. In exchange for depositing USDC into a vault, minters receive the tokenized asset. Additionally, minters can participate in the liquidity provision for every asset they've minted, by providing liquidity as they would on Uniswap. This earns users trading fees and potential asset price appreciation. As holders of Gasset LP tokens, users can leverage them to earn additional income streams. A Grand Base user can stake Gasset LP tokens to earn rewards in their governance token. This mechanism establishes a secure and self-sustaining ecosystem by promoting decentralized liquidity and incentivizing participation in their platform. They chose Base Chain as their core layer, which was a strategic decision, to leverage its blockchain environment optimized for real-world asset tokenization. Base's fast, low-cost transactions make it the ideal solution for their protocol and users who value efficiency and affordability. Grand Base is not just creating a marketplace. They are shaping a new reality where every asset can be tokenized and everyone has permissionless access to real-world assets on the blockchain. As Grand Base and Base evolve together, their protocol will fully deploy on the chain. Users won't just witness this transformation, they'll be its architects, leveraging the early stages of both the Base chain and Grand Base. Grand Base currently has a market cap of 25 million. We believe that Grand Base has the potential to reach a market cap of at least 4 billion in the future. That is a crazy 160x from here. Our second project is a unique AI project called DAI. 01 is a decentralized artificial intelligence ecosystem with a focus on data governance. They have developed a comprehensive DAI product suite, featuring a secure, modular, and interconnected platform for DAI tools and apps. Together with their 0-1 construct program and proprietary cipher chain, this suite forms a resilient flywheel, fueling the forthcoming DAI revolution with momentum. Their mission is to simplify the development process and enhance the discoverability, growth, and monetization of DAI products, while ensuring user data remains in the hands of its rightful owners, the users. At DAI, they believe that AI combined with blockchain technology is poised to become the largest vertical in the markets. Blockchain-based tokens will serve as the native digital currency, enabling AI systems to transact. DAI aims to promote the development and expansion of decentralized AI dApps. This objective is divided into 3 primary areas: establishing a sturdy infrastructure that enables creators to contribute, train, and host AI applications, tools, and models; facilitating the financial incentivization of open AI networks through crypto economics; and providing a resilient, decentralized infrastructure for the operation of dApps. 0-1 emphasizes 3 fundamental concepts for decentralized AI, namely data governance, decentralized node infrastructure, and AI tooling. Decentralization enhances data sharing across diverse datasets and fosters shared AI models for improved accuracy and performance. It also encourages decentralized model training for efficiency and privacy, creating new revenue streams for data providers. The creation of a distributed network of nodes improves security and scalability, while the focus lies in developing decentralized, globally accessible tools, free of charge. The primary goal is to create an open-access, decentralized toolkit for AI. This strategy democratizes AI development by offering free access to advanced tools and resources. This inclusive framework encourages global collaboration, reduces the barriers to AI development, and promotes community-driven innovation in AI technologies. Under the Zero Economic Framework, users are able to stake DAI while offering staking rewards and the opportunity to participate in lock drops to obtain ecosystem incentives, adopting a strategy similar to that of Celestia. Holders of the DEAI token will be given precedence for early participation in 3 forthcoming Zero Construct Program project launches that are currently under wraps. Additionally, they will benefit from token airdrops from initiatives selected by the Zero Construct Program. In conclusion, DAI is emerging as a significant player in the AI space, mounting a challenge to BitTensor's dominance. DAI currently has a market cap of 100 million. Looking at how the project is being handled, a market cap of at least 20 billion can be reached in a bull run. That is a crazy 200x from here. As our third project of this video, we would like to highlight Pendle Finance, which falls under the RWA category. We initially highlighted this project a year ago, when it had a market cap of 70 million. Now it's at 1.2 billion. However, we believe that the project still has substantial potential. Pendle is an innovative project that brings a unique and fresh perspective to the practice of yield optimization within the DeFi space. At its core, the protocol is intricately designed to enable users to trade tokenized future yields of DeFi assets. This ingenious approach paves the way for a novel market for yield exposure, a concept that was previously beyond reach in the DeFi landscape. This market offers users unprecedented access to yield that they would otherwise have been unable to tap into. In turn, this fosters the creation of new, lucrative investment opportunities for investors who are constantly on the hunt for yield. Central to Pendle's functionality is the use of yield tokens. These tokens serve as a representation of a future stream of yield emanating from a specific DeFi asset. Examples of these assets range from a liquidity pool token to a lending token. The unique feature of these tokens is that they can be traded on secondary markets. This provides users with the ability to buy and sell future yield exposure to these assets, opening up a new frontier of opportunities. One of Pendle's key strengths lies in its capability to create customizable yield structures. These are tailored to meet the specific needs of users, providing an additional layer of flexibility and customization. This feature allows users to optimize their yield strategies based on their individual risk tolerance and investment goals. In addition to all these features, Pendle also introduces a unique staking mechanism. Users can stake their Pendle tokens, thereby earning rewards for providing liquidity to yield token markets. This incentive mechanism encourages users to provide liquidity, which in turn ensures a boost in liquidity. This increase in liquidity helps to maintain stable prices for yield tokens, thereby contributing to a more robust and stable DeFi ecosystem. In conclusion, Pendle is an ambitious project that offers a fresh perspective on yield optimization in the DeFi space. The features offered by Pendle position it to become a leading protocol for yield optimization in the DeFi space. Pendle currently has a market cap of 1.2 billion. We believe that a market cap of 40 billion is possible in a bull run for this unique project. That is a 33x from here. Our last two projects are a combination of RWA and AI, the best of both worlds. Let's do a deep dive into the first project that combines RWA and AI called Origin Trail. Origin Trail is a platform that uses both a blockchain and a technology called a decentralized knowledge graph, DKG, to manage data about real-world assets in the digital space. The design of its ecosystem is to improve the discoverability of important, shared knowledge across the world. Origin Trail was initially conceived as a solution to integrate the advanced capabilities of blockchain technology into the realm of supply chain logistics. The primary objective was to establish a reliable, decentralized hub for supply chain management where customers, manufacturers, and suppliers could share critical data and track the entire product journey securely and transparently. As the project evolved, the scope of Origin Trail expanded beyond supply chain logistics to include the digitization of any real-world asset. Consequently, Origin Trail now incorporates features that are reminiscent of other crypto projects such as VeChain, which is heavily focused on supply chain logistics, and Centrifuge, which is known for its work in the field of RWA tokenization. In addition to these features, the platform also addresses the prevalent issue of misinformation by meticulously verifying the source of all information before it is made available to users, thereby ensuring the integrity and accuracy of the data. In terms familiar to those in the crypto industry, the underlying blockchain of Origin Trail serves as its Layer 1, while the decentralized knowledge graph functions as its Layer 2. This unique combination effectively harnesses the trustless and verifiable nature of blockchain technology, with the robust data representation capabilities of a DKG, to create a complex yet logical and functional system. The data representation includes the origin of the data, which is critical for ensuring transparency and trust. Looking towards the future, Origin Trail is continually evolving to include artificial intelligence in its data management processes to further enhance its capabilities. The team behind the project is also proactively working on scaling its operations to cater to a larger user base and handle more data. Finally, the Trace token, TRAC, which serves as Origin Trail's utility token, is used for multiple purposes within the platform. Users can stake TRAC tokens, pay for the publication of data known as knowledge assets, and set collateral on the DKG network nodes. TRAC currently has a market cap of 400 million. We predict that TRAC will have a market cap of at least 20 billion in the future. That is a 50x from here. Our final project of this video also combines RWA and AI and is called TokenFi. From its beginnings as a meme coin inspired by Elon Musk's pet dog, Floki has transformed into a multifaceted asset within its ecosystem. TokenFi is a user-friendly platform for crypto and asset tokenization that allows users to tokenize any real-world asset and launch crypto tokens without needing to write code or spend much money. Part of the Floki ecosystem, TokenFi was initially created to distribute token crypto rewards to the Floki community. TokenFi was introduced in late October 2023 as the result of a Floki DAO proposal to launch a staking program. The Floki community approved the proposal and immediately setting the project in motion. The TokenFi platform uses token coins to reward users who stake Floki coins. TokenFi features 5 key components. The TokenFi token launcher lets anyone create ERC20 and BEP20 compliant tokens in a few simple steps. Choose from a list of features, such as burn fees, buyback liquidity, and treasury wallets. The RWA tokenization module will allow users to input any RWA that isn't a security and turn it into a crypto token. Through the asset tokenization process, people will be able to establish proof of ownership over their artwork and collectibles, and even gold, on the blockchain. The TokenFi Launchpad takes care of the technical aspects of fundraising, so that project creators can focus on networking and fundraising. Though it's not fully implemented yet, the TokenFi Launchpad will be fully decentralized and provide helpful security measures. The The TokenFi AI Smart Contract Auditor will help ensure that crypto token launches and asset tokenization remain fully above board. Users will be able to get on-the-spot token audits for their smart contracts, which will reassure the community and prevent malicious actors from taking advantage of TokenFi's easy token generation process. With the Referral and User Incentives program, TokenFi hopes to further support the tokenization industry through user incentives. In order to boost program adoption, users who refer others will receive additional token rewards. TokenFi features 5 key components. The TokenFi token launcher lets anyone create ERC20 and BEP20 compliant tokens in a few simple steps. Choose from a list of features, such as burn fees, buyback liquidity, and treasury wallets. The RWA tokenization module will allow users to input any RWA that isn't a security and turn it into a crypto token. Through the asset tokenization process, people will be able to establish proof of ownership over their artwork and collectibles, and even gold, on the blockchain. The TokenFi Launchpad takes care of the technical aspects of fundraising, so that project creators can focus on networking and fundraising. Though it's not fully implemented yet, the TokenFi Launchpad will be fully decentralized and provide helpful security measures. The TokenFi AI Smart Contract Auditor will help ensure that crypto token launches and asset tokenization remain fully above board. Users will be able to get on-the-spot token audits for their smart contracts, which will reassure the community and prevent malicious actors from taking advantage of TokenFi's easy token generation process. With the Referral and User Incentives program, TokenFi hopes to further support the tokenization industry through user incentives. In order to boost program adoption, users who refer others will receive additional token rewards. TokenFi is more than just a new part of the Floki ecosystem, as it also has exciting implications for the billion-dollar tokenization industry. By focusing on the real-world asset tokenization process, TokenFi has the potential to further connect the blockchain industry with real-world items. TokenFi currently has a market cap of 150 million. A market cap of 15 billion is possible in a bull run for this unique project. That is a nice 100x from here. Thanks for watching, and make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and put notifications on to stay updated on all the latest crypto trends.